Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get epic dragons in Dragon City. These magnificent creatures are essential for dominating battles and boosting your island's productivity. We'll dive into the best strategies, starting with effective breeding techniques. You'll learn how to combine specific elements to increase your chances of hatching these powerful dragons. Get ready to enhance your dragon collection and strengthen your team. Breeding is one of the primary ways to acquire epic dragons. Focus on pairing dragons with complementary elements like flame and sea or terra and electric. Using dragons at level 15 or higher significantly improves your odds of success. Remember, some rare combinations might take dozens of attempts, so don't get discouraged. Keep trying, and you'll eventually hatch that elusive epic dragon. Special events are fantastic opportunities to add epic dragons to your roster. Always participate in ongoing events, as many offer exclusive epic dragons as rewards for completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones. Collect event-specific items, like coins or tokens, to exchange for powerful dragons. Strategic planning and consistent participation during these limited-time events can greatly boost your epic dragon collection. Beyond breeding and events, there are other avenues to acquire epic dragons. You can often purchase them directly from the in-game shop using gems, which are a premium currency. Opening various dragon chests also provides a chance to discover rare and epic dragons. Furthermore, engaging in alliances allows you to trade with fellow players, potentially acquiring dragons you need. Don't forget to complete daily dragon quests for rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.